Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share information regarding TCS Atlas hiring. Now, this is for people who will be into decision making and help businesses execute effective data-driven strategies to build a great future. Now, the roles will be like insightful data scientist, expert risk modelers, intelligent model validators, and adept statisticians. Okay, so these will be the roles that the people will be performing, and the salary is not disclosed. Okay, so if I get any information, I'll definitely share. Now, as far as the dates are concerned, so there is no registration end date. Currently, it is open, and the test date is also not given. It is ongoing. Okay, and the interview will be post the test. Now, educational qualification, it is MSc Mathematics, MSc Statistics, and MSc Economics, and MA Economics. So these are the degrees and specializations that are eligible. And the percentage criteria, 60% throughout in class 10th, 12th, and graduation and post graduation. And as far as arrears are concerned, so 3 batches are eligible: 2020, 2021, and 2022. As far as 2020 and 2021, there should not be any arrears. And as far as 2022 batch is concerned, maximum of 1 arrear is allowed. Okay, and the highest qualification should be completed in the stipulated time. And regarding break, they have allowed a maximum of 2 years of break in education, and only full-time courses are allowed. Okay, but students who have completed their secondary or senior secondary from NIOS are also eligible to apply. So year of passing, as I mentioned, 2020, 2021, and 2022. And work experience can be up to 2 years, and age maximum of 28 years. Now, selection process, unfortunately they have not given any selection process. So as far as salary and selection process and other details, whenever I get the details, I'll definitely upload. I'll inform through the Telegram channel as well, also the website. Now, how to apply? See, there are 2 links. One is if you already have a Nextdoor portal ID, reference ID, then it is fine. You just have to update the application, and then you have to fill in the second form. Okay, the second link, okay, which is a form. Now, if you don't have a Nextdoor portal ID, you have to create one. Okay, now as far as creation is concerned, so you have to go to the Nextdoor portal. So the procedure is this: you have to go to the Nextdoor portal. You have to have a profile in under the IT category. Okay, so you'll have 2 things: IT and BPS. You have to create a profile in IT category. Now, after you create a profile of IT category, after you complete the application form, so once you create a profile, you get the CTDT ID. Okay, now the CTDT ID, you have to fill the second form. Okay, you have to fill the second form using the CTDT ID, and they also ask the other details like your batch, degree, qualification, all that. Okay, so please understand there are 2 things. One is you have to have a profile in the Nextdoor portal. You have to have an ID, and then next one is you have to have the you have to fill the form. Okay, now if you have any queries, you please post your questions in the comment section below. If you like this video, click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.